This is the time for us to rise and come together as a people and work together. And this resonates very well with the message that we have been conveying since we did the handshake with my brother, President Uhuru Kenyatta. That we want to bring the people of Kenya together, build the bridges to bring the people of Kenya together. And we are sure that this will succeed. After the corona crisis, we will emerge again. Reggae is in halftime. Baada ya corona, reggae itaendelea kunguruma. Nobody can stop reggae. And we need to come up with a post-corona strategy of survival. How we are going to revive our country, because this is a crisis, but as they say all the times, that every crisis offers an opportunity. Yes, businesses must pay taxes, because without taxes, the government cannot run its operations. But taxes should not be used to destroy businesses. If you destroy the goose that lays the golden egg, where are you going to get another one?